I also forgot to mention that I have these arcade machine-like switches, which have their sort of electrical connections here at the bottom. It's quite interesting. I've never seen anything like this before, but you can see that there is some little logic diagram about the circuit for each of these switches. Now, these are going to be acting as the shoulder buttons for my controller, i.e. they're going to be akin to these two buttons up here. Obviously, a lot nicer to push these than it is to push something as clunky as this, but I'm not a multi-billion-dollar industry with access to custom tooled things. So this will have to settle for now. From what I know, this bottom pin here is the ground pin, if I wanted to connect it to my current system. And this middle pin actually here is the digital pin, where we'll be reading the input from the button here on the Arduino on one of these digital pins down here. The only thing I'm worried about in future is that I don't have crocodile clips for these, because you can see that they're not exactly normal connections. In fact, that looks like something you can plug into a wall in America. But I love the noise it makes, so I'm going to have lots of fun. And you can sort of think about having these as shoulder buttons, sort of like holding these in your hands and clicking them. Say, for instance, you're holding a controller, and instead of it being, a thumbstick, you have this very funny, clunky, clicky thing up here. I think it will be quite fun.